In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export selected frames as a PDF file, a handy skill that's incredibly useful for sharing your work with others or for printing purposes. We're going to dive right in and ensure that this process is as seamless as possible for you. First, you'll want to start by selecting the frames you wish to export. This might be because you have multiple frames in your document, but only need specific ones for your PDF. To do this efficiently, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While keeping the Shift key pressed, click on each frame that you want to include in your final PDF. The Shift key is essential here since it allows you to select multiple items at once, and this method ensures that you don't accidentally deselect any frames you've already chosen. It's a real time saver, especially when working with complex documents or presentations. Once you've selected all the frames you need, it's time to move on to the export process. Look towards the right side of your screen, where the sidebar is located. You'll find an option labeled Export. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a variety of settings related to exporting your work. It's the place where you can fine-tune how your file will be saved and what format it will take. In this menu, you will see several format options you can choose from, but for our purposes, we need to focus on selecting the PDF format. PDFs are great because they're versatile and maintain the layout of your frames perfectly, ensuring that anyone you share the document with sees exactly what you intended. After you've selected the PDF format, the next step is to finalize your export. There will be a button that says Export. Click on that, and your selected frames will be saved as a single PDF file. This means all the frames you've picked are now compiled into one convenient document. With that, you've successfully exported your selected frames as a PDF file. As you can see, with just a few simple steps, you've managed to take the specific content you needed and turned it into a shareable, professional-grade document. Remember these steps next time you need to do this, and you'll have no trouble at all. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.